Morning, guys. Welcome back to United Garage. Now, I've got to drive down to Ajax. I got to pick up something. It's going to help out my drifting career, and it's going to be a big build on this channel. I've got to put some oil in the truck right now, and then head over there. Oh, you Porsche guys, let's see if I can get this on camera. Porsche GT3 RS. Check that bad boy out. I know you Porsche guys out there will love that thing. I so would love to have one of those things, but frig, I don't think I can afford the insurance on that. Alright guys, we're almost to where I'm picking something up. I will ask him if I have consent to film at his house. But if not, guys, I will show you what I've got after I pick it up. It's going to be awesome. So I hope you guys will enjoy it as much as I do. There, guys, there you go. Or sorry, Challenger, whatever, one of them. The RT. Nice.